Imagine this. The world has finally gone quiet. The messages have stopped, the lights are dim, but your mind is still awake, replaying conversations, rebuilding tomorrow before today has even ended. If that sounds like you, breathe. Tonight's practice is different. It's not about stretching deeper or pushing harder. It's about letting go. These 12 relaxing yoga poses are designed to calm your nervous system, ease your muscles, and slow your breath so your body remembers how to rest. No rush, no pressure, just soft movement and gentle release. So roll out your mat, lower the lights, and give yourself permission to unwind, because tonight, peace starts with you. 1. Child's pose. Begin by gently folding into yourself, forehead on the mat, arms stretched ahead. Feel your heartbeat slow down as your hips sink toward your heels. This pose releases lower back tension and signals your nervous system that it's safe to rest. Breathe deeply like you're exhaling the day. 2. Reclined butterfly pose. Lie back, bring the soles of your feet together and let your knees fall open. Place one hand on your belly, one near your heart. With each breath, imagine sinking deeper into the mat. This opens your hips and calms emotional stress stored in the body. 3. Legs up the wall pose. Place your legs vertically against the wall. Let the blood flow away from your feet. It's like a reset button for your circulation and nervous system. Stay here, eyes closed, as if preparing your body for a peaceful night. 4. Seated forward bend. Sit tall and slowly reach toward your feet. You don't have to touch them, just fold gently. This pose stretches your spine and relaxes the mind. Imagine folding away all worries. 5. Cat-cow pose. Move slowly between arching and rounding your spine. Think of this as soft movement to release stiffness from the day. Every inhale lifts, every exhale releases. 6. Thread the needle pose. From all fours, slide your right arm under your stoss. Left shoulder and rest your cheek on the mat. This twist calms the upper back and shoulders. Close your eyes. Feel held and supported. 7. Supine spinal twist. Lie on your back and gently drop your knees to one side. Arms open wide. Twists help the body process emotional tension before sleep. With every exhale, release what you don't want to take into tomorrow. 8. Happy baby pose. Hold your feet with your knees bent wide. Gentle rocking is ideal here. This pose mimics the natural comfort of infancy, reminding the body how to relax deeply. 9. Supported bridge pose. Place a pillow or block under your hips and allow your body to rest. This pose gently elevates the heart and soothes the lower back. Stay still and let gravity do the work. 10. Corpse pose. Lie completely still. Imagine the mat absorbing every ounce of stress. Focus on slow breathing. Inhale peace, exhale fatigue. Picture yourself floating. 11. Reclined pigeon pose variation. Lie on your back and cross one ankle over the opposite knee. Gently pull your legs toward you. This opens the hips, a powerful way to release suppressed emotional tension before bedtime. 12. Shashankasana. Sit back on your heels and lean forward with arms extended. Forehead resting down, symbolic of surrendering the day. Stay quiet, soften the breath, let your body prepare for sleep. stay here a moment. Let your breath settle. Let your thoughts soften. Your body has moved, your energy has shifted, and now, sleep can finally arrive. If this practice helped quiet your night, gently like this video, subscribe for more healing sessions, and share it with someone who deserves real rest. Remember, the world can wait till morning. Tonight, your only job is to surrender. Close your eyes, lay everything down, and let sleep do the rest.